Recent scientific research suggests that this is how the partnership between humans and wolves began.
Yeah.
He's a shark.
He thought it was appropriate.
Zeus.
Yeah, it was very appropriate. Yeah.